In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chart of accounts templates in QuickBooks Online Accountant. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. From your main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the Accountant Tools menu. This is where many of your firm-level tools live. Open that menu, then look for the option labeled COA Templates or Chart of Accounts Templates, and click it. This area is dedicated to building reusable account structures you can quickly apply to new or existing clients. Once you're on the Templates page, you'll see a button to start building a new one. Click the green Add New Template button. Think of this as creating a master blueprint. Instead of rebuilding a chart of accounts for every client from scratch, you design it once here and reuse it as many times as you need. Next, QuickBooks will prompt you to choose a base for your template. You have two main options. You can start from a pre-built template designed for a product-based business or one designed for a service-based business. These come with a basic structure already set up, which can save you time if they're close to what you need. The other option is to create a template from scratch. Choose this if you want complete control or if your client's industry is very specific and doesn't fit the standard models. After you've selected your base, it's time to customize the template. One of the first choices you'll see is whether to use account numbers. If your firm relies on numbered accounts for reporting, sorting, or consistency across clients, toggle account numbers on now. It's much easier to turn this on at the template stage than to adjust it client by client later. Now start shaping the structure. Use the option to add a new parent account when you want a main category, like utilities or professional fees. Use the option to add a new sub-account when you want to break those categories down further, for example, creating sub-accounts under utilities for rent and electricity. This parent substructure helps you keep detailed tracking while still getting clean, summarized reporting on financial statements. As you build, you can modify each account's name, type, and detail type. Make sure these match how you want income, expenses, assets, and liabilities to appear on reports. Clear, consistent naming, and accurate account types will make your reporting more accurate and easier to read. When you're happy with the structure, give your template a clear, unique name that describes its purpose or target industry, then select Save. Your chart of accounts template is now ready to be applied to clients whenever you need it.